Hello and welcome back, guys. Today I want to show us how to use PHOTOPEA without having any issue. When I made my last video on photo on logo and PHOTOPEA mockup, a lot of people kept saying the most challenging thing for them is understanding how to use PHOTOPEA. So today I want to take us through a step-by-step guide to use PHOTOPEA for any of our logo mockups. So let's get started. You open your Chrome browser just this way, then in your browser just enter PHOTOPEA, photopea.com. You can see I already made use of the site before, so you just go to the same site, photopea.com. Ensure you have a good network. There are two things that are required in using PHOTOPEA. One, you must be patient. Two, you must have a good network. Now, let's make use of there are two ways to do this thing also. One, you can either go and download or get the PSV or PSD from someone else. Some people sell it, some people give it out, encrypt it. So there are two ways, but today I want to show us using the normal PSD template that we have on PHOTOPEA. So you just click on PSV template, click on it, and to bring you to this page. Here you have different categories depending on what you want to mock up for. You have mockup, you have print, product, social media, YouTube, and all of that like that. So I'll just scroll to this side, like just slide to this side, and let's make use of any of these for a particular photo logo mockup. There are lots of them, but most of them are locked, and when it is locked you won't be able to use it. So we are just going to search for anyone that is free and that is available unlocked. So let's click on, let me use this 3D logo to bring you to this page. Look at this corner, just click on this. You give it time to load. You can see it says loading, so give it time to load. Like I said, you must be patient using PHOTOPEA and you must have good network. So it has opened it right here. This is where our view work starts from. So from here, all you just have to do is come here, click on layer. You can see it, layer, just click on it. It will come up with a pop-up like this. Then you can see smart objects, click on it. It will bring up a pop-up like this also. Now you can see open and edit. Just click on that, open and edit. Now you can see it has opened up that particular image or logo that we opened. Now the next thing to do is just come to layer here. You can see layer, follow Microsoft, then look at this high point on this edge. Just click on the high point. Now click on layer again. You can see it's now a transparent PNG, a transparent background. Just come to scroll back and click on file. Okay, now come here and click on open and place. Open and place is to take you to your folder. In your folder you must have had a logo design that you want to use. Let me just pick something from my Pixel Lab, like a PNG. Okay, here's the last one that I made use of. So you just click on it, give it time to load also. It will open up. Now you have it. Now you look at this page very well. Use these corners, these three corners like this, these ones, to drag it and arrange it properly to fit into the screen properly. So I want you to touch at least the upper end and the lower end. So I'll keep increasing it until I get what I want. So here I have it. I think it's big enough. Okay, good. The next thing you just do is click on file again, then you click on Save as smart object. Click on that. Give it time to load. Just tap it once or twice and give it time to load. When it's done, you will see smart object saved. Smart object is saved. You can see smart objects updated. Now you have it. The next thing you just have to do now is, there are two things on the screen here. You can see one graphics, the other one, you can see one graphics, the other one 3D logo. You don't have anything to do with this graphics. Just click on this 3D logo once or twice to ensure it is clicked and give it time to do its thing. You give it time so as it will perform the magic and bring you your mockup. So the network is even really fast. Here we have it. You can see. So this is how to use PHOTOPEA to mockup. All you just have to do now to download it to your phone, click on file like this, then come to export. Click on export once, pop up. You click on PNG. You can see, just click on that. When you click on that, it will bring you a pop-up like this. Now all you just have to do, you can edit the name. You can edit the name here and change it to whatever name you want. But here I'll just click on save. Now you can see it's saying, do you want to download? I think I have downloaded something like this before, but you just click on download again. Now let me open it for us to see. Now this is our final outcome. If it is not zoom enough, you can take it to your Pixel Lab and edit it, like crop it to fit to whatever size that you want. So that is it, how to use PHOTOPEA to mock up your design using the templates available on PHOTOPEA. As time goes on, I will teach us how to extract some other ones that are available. The most beautiful ones are the ones that you get to buy or transfer from other people, and it is oftentimes encrypted and coded. So I'll teach us how to do that in probably the next video. Thank you. God bless you. If this was helpful, kindly like and subscribe to this channel for more educative videos.